using your intentions easier.
Jeff here with the Spinner Brothers. This is the split in the trail for our loop on this year's trip. We're heading up to Carrick Meadows, but we're going to be coming from Rock Island and Mule Pass. So in about 4 days we'll be coming up from here. Today we're going up there.
So hard to find me. The more I've searched, the less this all made sense. I'm finding out that this was not about me. You're all that will be standing in the end. Take me as I am.
We're here to stop for lunch. Nice little spot. About another 4 miles or so till we hit camp tonight. Here we are in lovely Carrick Meadows.
Hip, hip.
As you can see, there's a splendid view. Opens up quite nicely. Second day, morning of, and it's just an absolutely beautiful morning. Splendid weather. Looks like we're not going to get any rain this year. The air's kind of cleared out. Yesterday there was a lot of smoke from a fire that was nearby. Hopefully they got a handle on it.
He's a rebel and a runner. He's a signal turning green. He's a restless young romantic, wants to run the big machine. He's got a problem with his poisons, but you know we'll find a cure. He's cleaning up the systems to keep his nature pure. Learning to match the beat of the old world man. Learning to catch the heat of the...
Okay, we're up at Benson Lake. We got up here a little earlier today. Pretty amazing. Huge sandy beach. Very unusual for a mountain lake. I'll give you a shot here down the beach. Incredible. Right, here we are at the campsite. Just having a good old time. Smoking cigars. Just finished our dinner. The wind's calmed down.
feeling all alone. There's so far to go, the signs are nowhere on this road, guiding me home. When the night is closing in, it's falling on my skin. Oh God, will you come close? You light up the sky. You light up the sky to show me you are with me. And I can't deny, no I can't deny that you are right here with me. You've opened my eyes so I can see you all around me. You light up the sky. You light up the sky to show me that you are with me.
So here we are. What is this, day 3?
Day 3.
And we head to camp in this crazy meadow valley. Is the last place we could actually find some water. Here's our tent. We just found a spot here, kind of exposed.
Here we are getting started. It's about 9:12 on day, what is this, day 4 now, huh?
This is the path less taken. This is the life less lived. This is where you have placed me, and you want all I have to give. There were times when I was lonely. There were times when I was scared. There were moments when I stopped chasing, and I was frozen in my fear. But I won't be the man who watched the world passing by. I don't really know where this road is going. I don't really know what it's going so bad. But one foot in front of the other, that's how I'm gonna discover who you really are when the world is ending. How you raise the dead and the new beginnings. But one foot in front of the other, that's how I'm gonna discover. One foot at a time. One foot at a time. And there are those who stood against me. They said I'd never measure up. All their voices are fading, 'cause I care more about your love. But this is not about them. It isn't even about me, because my worth is found inside your eyes. So I will rise and sing, 'cause I won't be the man who watched the world passing by. No, I don't really know.
What do you think, Jeff?
Oh man, it's been a splendid day.
It has. This is a pretty awesome area through here.
Robinson Lakes.
Okay, this is our final night.
Sure.
And we had to come way up here off the trail. You can't even see it here, but we were way down there by the water. And then after we set up the tent, we noticed there was a no camping here sign on one of the trees. Can you get it? Oh, yeah, maybe you can get it. It's on that tree over there. Probably can't see it in this picture, but anyway, so we're way up here on this hill. It's kind of cool, kind of secluded. There's our kitchen area. And we're out of here in the morning, right, Jeff?
That's right.
Everywhere, every day, all we hear is wait. It's not your time, just get back in line. And they can try to knock us down. We've got our feet nailed to the ground. If you wanna count us out, go ahead. But
Okay, day 5, and we are back at the car. How many miles did we do today, Jeff?
6.5.
Nice. It was a good trip. It's a good trip. And it's only, what, about 11:30?
Yeah, I think so.
And we'll grab some lunch and whatever, so. Gary Jeff's Wild Adventure signing off.
With the clock running down, we're gonna leave our fears and fears.